Hello everyone. I set aside all the other news to focus on this one. It's quite a big one. So what has happened is Microsoft CEO and Chairman Satya Nadella announced that they would be training around 2 million Indians in AI by 2025, which is not a very long time ahead, right? It's just the next year. So between this year and next year, they're planning to train around 2 million, which is 20 lakhs Indian in AI. So that's awesome. That would have a huge impact on the AI and AI ML ecosystem in India. So the key takeaways from this announcement at an event yesterday are they would be training 2 million people with AI skills by 2025. That's the big one. So this will generate so many new jobs in AI ML industry in India. Now, when you say 2 million people, that doesn't mean that these will be all 2 million technical people. To give you an example, let's look at the second one, second key point, where he talks about a startup called Karya. Karya is an AI startup that has enlisted 30,000 rural people to create data set that will be used in training large language models in 12 Indian languages. So imagine they have it's a startup, must be funded. With the funds they have enrolled 30,000 people to create data sets. This shows how much background effort is required into creating these data sets. So for any LLM, if the data is not readily available, like in case of ChatGPT, it took data mostly from the online websites. For other data sets, like in this example, like 12 Indian languages, the data would not be easily available online, or it would not be available in the amount required. So in that case, you have to do offline work. So to create that amount of data, you need that many people. So the type of data could be text, it could be photos, it could be images, it could be videos, and so many people would need to work on it, accumulate so much data that LLM can be trained based on that. The next key point is Mr. Nadella estimates that AI would contribute around $500 billion to the Indian economy, which is expected to be $5 trillion by 2025. Now, 500 billion is a big number if you say specifically for AI ML vertical in the IT industry. Here, when you say 500 billion, it would be like AI ML implemented across industries and that implementation, the usage, and all those things creating a value of 500 billion. It's a huge number. The last point is with Microsoft is not only testing these products but also implementing these products with many industry players. So some of the players in India like L&T, Mindtree, HCL, Axis Bank, and there are a whole lot of other companies which have adopted AI ML solutions for Microsoft. So it's already in the works. It's already on the ground. People are using it. So moving forward, the most critical part of this announcement is for the people who want to get into this industry, AI ML industry, and they're trying to find a way. So this particular path which Microsoft has laid, it's kind of a guided path, and people can look forward to announcements from Microsoft and start their career or take their careers forward with the resources that Microsoft makes available. So all the best for that. Thank you.